Hey YouTube, so in this video I'm going to be showing you my start to finish straight to curly hair routine. This video is going to include my wash day as well as a protein treatment and styling. So if you're interested, just keep on watching. Alright y'all, so we're gonna hop right into it. When I start washing my hair, I use lukewarm water, and that's because my hair is high porosity and hot water can actually damage my hair. But it does take a while for my hair to start reverting back, and that's because when I have straight hair, I use a lot of oils just so my hair doesn't frizz up. So it does take a while to wash that out, but my hair does eventually start curling back up. Once my hair reverts back, I go ahead and put shampoo on my hair. It's just my normal cheap shampoo, which is the Garnier Fructis. I do go ahead and focus on my scalp just to make sure all that buildup is out of my scalp and make sure all my strands are clean. Once I get all my strands lathered with product, I still focus more on my scalp, and then I go ahead and wash all the shampoo out. Sometimes it actually takes me a couple of rinses to get all of the shampoo out of my hair because my hair is so thick. But once all of the shampoo is out, I go ahead and grab my conditioner and start to apply that to my hair. And once all of the conditioner has been applied, I will take my vent brush and start detangling my hair from the bottom to the top. So I know many of you, if you've been watching my channel for a while, you've seen me do this routine repetitively. This routine works for me. It's very simple. You know, sometimes less is more. So I really am liking my routine, and my curls have bounced back beautifully after the silk press. So once I am done detangling my hair, I do a cool water rinse to close the cuticles of my hair. So instead of deep conditioning my hair after the wash, I decided to do a protein treatment, and that is because I wanted to strengthen my hair after straightening it. But I'm using the Aphogee protein treatment. If you did not see my full Aphogee protein treatment tutorial, I am going to link that up above and down below. But what I do is section off my hair and then apply the protein treatment via a spray bottle on my hair. After I have applied the treatment all through that section, I use a wide tooth comb to distribute the product evenly throughout that section of hair, and then I just continued that process all through the other 3 sections in my hair. So this is how my hair looks after I've applied all the protein treatment. If you've never used Aphogee before, it's very sticky as it dries. So now I'm just going to blow dry my hair. The direction states to use a blow dryer with low manipulation, and I guess this just sets the product. So this is how my hair looks after I'm done with the blow dry process, and I'm about to rinse all the protein treatment out. So now that all the protein treatment is washed out, I am going to use the balancing moisturizer to add moisture back into my hair after the treatment. And I just take this and apply it to all of my strands. I really do like the balancing moisturizer because it has a very creamy consistency and adds a lot of slip to my hair. So this is how my hair looks after all the balancing moisturizer has been applied to my hair. I am loving how defined my curls look and how soft my hair is feeling. But after this step, they do want you to rinse the balancing moisturizer out. I believe they want it to stay in your hair for 2 minutes. So now that the moisturizer is rinsed out of my hair, I am going to go ahead and do my normal styling routine. So I take my olive and avocado oil and just apply that to my strands. Since my hair is high porosity, I do apply the oil just to seal in any moisture. Once I apply the oil all through the sections of my hair, I take that oil as well and put it on my scalp. Oh yeah, one thing I forgot to mention is that when I have the oil, I try to focus a lot on my ends just because sometimes those areas don't get a lot of love. But once all the oil has been applied to my scalp, I take my fingers and try to massage the oil in. Next, I take my styling product, which is the olive oil eco styler gel, and apply that to sections in my hair. Sometimes when I use the olive oil gel, it tends to dry up on my hair. So if it does do that, I usually take like my spray bottle and apply some water on it just so it can kind of reactivate the product. I don't know if my gel is getting old or what it is, but now when I'm using it, it just like it dries really quick on my hair. But I also have started adding a foamy mousse on top of the gel, and that's just because this foamy mousse just adds so much shine to my hair, and I really like how my curls turn out when I use the gel and the foamy mousse. So for this wash day, I am doing that. So this is how one side looks with the added product and the other side looks without the product. So now I'm just gonna continue doing that for the rest of my head, and yeah. So this is how my hair looks after all the product has been added. I do sometimes go through and scrunch the curls just depending on how way down they look. But once I have all the product added, I do get my diffuser out and start the drying process. I usually flip my hair forward and turn on the cool air and just diffuse my hair. Sometimes it takes a little long, like 20 minutes, which is highly annoying, but hey, we gotta do what we gotta do, right? So this is how my hair looks after the diffusing. This is day one hair, but as you can see, my curls are really defined. As time goes on, my hair is definitely going to swell, but I am loving how defined my curls are looking. I'm so happy to have my curls back after the silk press. I don't know, I just was missing my curls. Like I said earlier in the video, I know y'all have seen this routine many times, but this was requested by my new family on Instagram. I have started a new hair page. I am gonna link that profile down below as well as put the username up on the screen. But if y'all are not following that page, please go ahead and follow that page. I have so much fun talking about hair and everything on there. But if y'all like this video, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel. Click that bell so you get notified every time that I post something so you don't miss something. And I'll see y'all in my next video.